again, everybody. Happy Wednesday. We're going to kickstart today with a bit of English work, and I thought because this is our first English lesson of the new term, we'd start by writing our holiday news. Now, I know lots of you have been writing diaries and things over the holidays, which is great, and I can't wait to read them all. But for today, we're just going to write one piece of news, so you can pick one thing or two things that you've really enjoyed doing over the last few weeks. For nursery, your challenge today is to draw me a really nice picture. And then I'd like you to maybe try and write a sentence or write a few words to describe what you've drawn or what you did. For reception, you as well can draw a picture, but I need you to write me at least 2 sentences today. So I want 2 really good sentences, and if you think you can write more than 2, then that's fantastic, please do. There's a few things we need to remember when we're doing our writing, so just have a quick think and see if you can remember what any of those things are, and then we'll go through them together in a second. So just give you a second. So the first thing you need to remember is those finger spaces. So after every word, you need to make sure you have a finger space, and make sure it's a good size finger space so that I can see that there's a gap between the words, but not that it's massive and it leaves half the page. Make sure you start with a capital letter. And if you write anybody's name, that should begin with a capital letter as well. Make sure you finish your writing. When you finish your sentence, you put a full stop at the end. Use your phonics. You're all really good at using your sounds, so make sure you sound out really carefully, especially some of those longer words. Think really carefully about what sounds you can hear. I would love to see some really neat handwriting. Keep it nice and small and make sure all your letters are formed carefully. If they're curly caterpillar letters, make sure you start them in the right place. And then the bonus one is I need you to read your work through. So once you've finished your lovely writing, I want you to read it back. If you can't read it and it doesn't make sense to you, it's not going to make sense to me or to your mummies or daddies either. So that's your challenge for this morning. I'm going to let you get off and have a go at that. And then we're going to come back together in a little while, and I'm actually going to set you another challenge all about our new topic.